Hello everybody. Okay, so as you all know, I am now, my chair is squeaky. As you all know, I am now a Norwex consultant. Now, when I signed up, there was a little promotion. So it's, it was for me anyway, earn my starter kit for free if I've sold $1,000 in the first 30 days, all that fun jazz, which I did. Yay for me. But I also got a little bonus thank you for submitting $400 in sales. Sorry, I'm being as honest as I can here. In the first 15 days, which I did. And here is the little bonus gift that they sent me. So I figured I would open it up on camera and let everybody see. I only cut it open. I haven't actually taken a look inside, as you can see. All right, so we've got a dry and buff car cloth. Ooh. A bathroom scrub mitt. Love these things. Just love them. They're great. Produce wash. Seriously, love this stuff. Can never go wrong with that. Bathroom cleaner. Again, love this. Rinse and shine. Oh, for the dishwasher. Oh, awesome. And then dishwashing powder. Oh, now that I have a dishwasher, that's actually exciting. And then we've got the scrubber sponge. Oh, I love these things. Just love these things. These work, okay, this works amazing on a glass stovetop. Then we've got a spaghetti. I can't see if that's an I or an L. I hope it's an I. It's, you can kind of see that. There we go. It's a stainless steel scrubber that can be used, can be used for wet cleaning up pots and pans, removing glue, works on glass, all this fun stuff. Excuse me. Oh, I love these things. Okay, the fruit and veggie cloth. I use this all the time. Oh, a kitchen towel. I love their kitchen towels, like seriously. They're amazing. And then another kitchen cloth. This is the diamond one, I think. Looks like the diamond one. I love these. Okay, full of stuff I have used and full of stuff I haven't tried yet. Like I haven't tried their steel wool scrubbers or the card cloth. Let's open that up. Oh, ooh, that is soft. Okay. Well, I hope you guys liked my little video here. I will talk to you soon. Bye.